If you want to run another operating system like Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Windows, or any other OS without changing your current Windows installation, Virtualbox is one of the best free options available. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install it on Windows 11. Let's get started. First of all, open your favorite web browser and search for Oracle Virtualbox. Open the first result. This is the official Virtualbox website, where you can safely download the latest version. Once you're on the website, click the download button. This will take you to the Virtualbox downloads page. Here, click on Windows Host, and the Virtualbox installer will immediately begin downloading. The installer is relatively small, so it should finish within a minute on most internet connections. While you're here, I also recommend downloading the Virtualbox extension pack. The extension pack unlocks additional features like USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 device support, webcam pass-through, disk encryption, and several other advanced capabilities that can be useful later. Simply click Accept and Download, and the extension pack will start downloading as well. Now just wait until both files have finished downloading. Once the downloads are complete, open your Downloads folder and open the Virtualbox installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The Virtualbox setup wizard will now open. Click Next. Now accept the terms and click Next again. On the custom setup page, you can leave all the default options exactly as they are unless you have a specific reason to change them. Click Next again. You'll now see a warning that your network connection may be temporarily interrupted. This is completely normal, so click Yes to continue. When installation is ready, click Install to begin the installation. Windows may ask you to install Oracle device software during the process. If prompted, click Install. Now simply wait for the installation to finish. It usually takes less than a minute. Once it's complete, then click Finish. Virtualbox will now launch for the first time. The final step is installing the extension pack we downloaded earlier. In Virtualbox, click Tools, then open Extension Manager. Click Install, browse to your Downloads folder, and select the extension pack file. Click Install again. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the license agreement, select I agree. After a few seconds, the extension pack will be installed successfully. And that's it. You now have Virtualbox fully installed on Windows 11, and it's ready to create and run virtual machines. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.